Brother.
Yes, bro.
Me coming today.
Yeah.
Washing.
Washing.
Washing machine.
Oh, this side.
Yes. Hey, who is here? Here.
Yes, bro, I'm here, yeah. What do you want?
Me coming village. Me coming here, washing.
Oh, you want to wash clothes?
Yes. I want washing, just washing.
Oh, yeah, we have so many washing machine here, yeah. You can wash the clothes here. Yeah, we have dryers.
Bro, English small. Me English small.
Oh, yeah, I know, yeah, I understand.
Yeah, me English small. Me coming
No
here.
broken English are you?
Yeah, we can wash your clothes, yeah. Clean dirty clothes. We can wash every types of clothes here.
Wait, bro.
Okay, bro.
What the heck?
No, bro. We don't wash basketball here. Only clothes, bro. Please, my brother, understand. We don't wash balls.
Bro, this ball, bro, is dirty, bro. Washing, so that play good, bro.
No, bro, this ball cannot be washed here. Please, bro. Please understand, my brother.
Bro, you are not good, bro. You are not
See,
good, bro.
see, old clothes, see, dirty balls here. Only.
No, you see this, I will put this inside.
No. We can wash any kind of clothes.
Are you playing? What type of
This one,
playing
bro.
is this? This is playing.
Serious, bro. This is iron. This is not for washing. After you wash the clothes, you do press like this. Not
This, bro, this not working good.
bro.
Washing this dirty. Working this good, bro.
You blazer boy. If it is not working, go to the electronics and tell them to maintain this, not to wash. We can't make this good.
Bro, you not good, bro. This no washing, no. You don't need money. Money, not.
I need money, but not by this stupid thing. Yeah, are you serious, bro? I can't wash.
Me, stupid.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Emotional damage.
This is the washing machine.
Me, stupid.
Yeah.
My friend.
Yeah, you are stupid. Then who? Me? Am I stupid? Who bringing that irons, laptops in the laundry where we only wash clothes?
Oh, Dio, kawan jangan mana?
Yeah, bro, calm down.
I want problems always.
Bring dirty clothes. Yeah, I'll wash clean, but not these electronic and these basketball, volleyball. Not only clothes, dirty clothes, bro.
Bro,
Yeah, bro.
ball dirty. Washing today, play. Dirty, bro.
Bro, we don't wash balls in the washing machine. You can wash these things.
Bro, you tell me stupid, no happy.
No, bro. I'm not telling you stupid.
No happy,
No,
bro.
bro, I'm not telling you stupid. Please, listen me.
Bro, me angry at you.
Don't be angry. Okay, please listen to me. Only wash clothes here. Please, only one word. Only wash clothes. Why don't you understand me?
Bro,
Yes.
me don't want any problem. Me, good guy, no problem.
Yeah, you are good guy.
Me,
Yeah,
please, don't washing this, no problem.
Yeah.
Going with my money, washing place another. You don't want to wash this thing. You, my brother.
Yeah, I'm your brother.
You from ball, kill it, ball.
Both.
Yeah.
Okay. Take this. Bring dirty clothes.
Okay.
Okay. I always welcome you.
No.
Serious?
Me alone, please leave me alone. Leave me alone.